The question that we've been asked is, can we export and import matters between uLaw? The answer is absolutely yes. You can choose any matter. For example, I'm going to choose this Adam Brown employment matter, and you can always export it as a Microsoft Excel. You can go into detail or summary. The minute you export it, what uLaw does is it puts it into a very generic Excel format. You can actually open it and you will see that it exports everything. This is how we kind of give you back your data, because this data is at the end of the day is all yours. Now, if you want to bring this data into another matter, it's pretty simple and straightforward. All you need to do is just go to another matter. Like for example, you can go to this import matter, click on the import button. Now, there are several formats. There's a conveyancer format, there's a generic format, there's a uLaw fee and a disbursement format too. So you can just say uLaw fee, choose the file we just imported, and hit the upload button. It'll bring back all the stuff that was there in the matter, the telephone conversation, the initial client meeting, everything that you had in that matter. It'll bring back everything, and you just take an action and just keep adding it to this matter. Then you say add new event, very similar to any other import, and then it'll add it to the event. Now, if it was a disbursement, only the disbursement portion you want to pull it, you can just say import. Again, you choose the uLaw disbursement, choose the exact same file, and hit the upload button. Now it'll bring all the disbursements, some of them with a long distance and court fee, and based on whether it is taxable or not, it'll automatically do that. Like for example, if you say pay disbursements, that one, it included the tax. So to summarize, you could always export in one matter, and then you could go to another matter and actually import it, right? You can choose the file that you just exported, choose whether it's a disbursement that you want or the fee that you want, upload it, and then uLaw, based on whether it is taxable or non-taxable, will automatically make the differentiation. It will actually import it properly into your software. Okay. Remember, you can always use copy matter to achieve the same effect. The copy will only copy dockets from one to another, and it will create a new client and a matter for you. It will take all the fee and all that stuff. Import export is taking content specifically to a matter and importing it into another matter. So that's the key difference. So in import, you have a choice to import not all, but some of it. In copy, all you're doing is you're just copying the dockets alone. You're not copying the disbursements.